How to successfully sell products on Amazon FBA. Selling products on Amazon through their Fulfilled by Amazon FBA program is a lucrative opportunity for individuals looking to make passive income online. In this video, we will explore the 7 essential steps to start an Amazon FBA business and provide valuable tips and strategies to help beginners avoid common pitfalls and achieve success. Step 1. Setting up an Amazon seller account. To begin your journey as an Amazon seller, the first step is to set up your Amazon seller account. This can be easily done by visiting sell.amazon.com and clicking on the Sign Up button. Set up a professional seller plan, which incurs a small fee. When creating your Amazon seller account, it is crucial to follow the correct steps and avoid mistakes that may result in a suspension or ban from selling on the platform. Paying attention to the details and adhering to Amazon's guidelines will ensure a smooth and hassle-free account setup process. Once your seller account is established, you gain access to the Amazon Seller Central dashboard. This powerful tool allows you to manage your products, inventory, pricing, and orders efficiently. Additionally, you can create listings for your products and customize your account settings from this centralized hub. Step 2. Finding a profitable product to sell on Amazon. Identifying a profitable product is a vital aspect of becoming a successful Amazon seller. In this step, we will explore effective product research techniques to help you discover products with high demand and low competition. Successful product research involves using Amazon's search bar to find products in high demand and low competition. Additionally, tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 can assist in analyzing Amazon's vast database to discover products that meet specific criteria. Step 3. Create a strong brand for your product. Once you have identified a potential product, it is essential to create a brand around it. A strong brand presence enhances the perceived value of your product, allowing you to charge higher prices and generate greater profits. It's important to hire a designer to create a high-quality logo and designing packaging that distinguishes your product from competitors. Use a competent freight forwarder to take care of shipping and customs clearance. Step 4. Finding a reliable supplier. Finding a reliable manufacturer for your product is the next critical step. I recommend utilizing platforms like Alibaba.com, which simplifies the process of connecting with manufacturers. If all this seems a bit overwhelming, then investing in a good Amazon FBA course might be a good option. Links to my recommended courses and other useful resources are in the description below. It will also provide valuable tips for navigating the platform effectively and highlights red flags to watch out for when selecting a manufacturer. Here are some key points to consider during this process. 1. Communication. Effective communication with potential suppliers is essential. 2. Clearly articulate your product requirements, including specifications, quality standards, and any customizations you may require. 3. Be proactive and ask for samples or prototypes to ensure the manufacturer can meet your expectations. 4. Quality control. Implement a robust quality control process to ensure that the manufactured products meet your standards. This may involve inspecting samples, conducting on-site visits, or hiring a third-party inspection service. Maintaining product quality is crucial for customer satisfaction and minimizing returns. 5. MOQ and pricing. Minimum order quantity refers to the minimum quantity of products that a manufacturer is willing to produce for your initial order. Negotiate the MOQ and pricing terms with your manufacturer to achieve a balance between cost-effectiveness and inventory management. Step 5. Listing and optimizing your product on Amazon. Once your product is manufactured and ready for sale, it's time to create a compelling listing on Amazon. Optimizing your product listing is crucial to improve visibility and attract potential customers. Consider the following aspects when crafting your listing. Title: create a clear and concise title that includes relevant keywords and highlights the main features or benefits of your product. Product images: high-quality product images are essential to showcase your product. Include multiple images from different angles, focusing on the product's key features. Have a short video created to demonstrate the product features can really boost sales. Ensure that the images meet Amazon's guidelines and accurately represent your product. Product description: write a detailed and persuasive product description that highlights the unique selling points and benefits. Use bullet points to make it easy for customers to scan the information. Keywords: conduct thorough keyword research to identify relevant keywords for your product. Incorporate these keywords strategically in your title, bullet points, and product description to improve search visibility. Pricing and promotion: set competitive pricing for your product, considering factors such as manufacturing costs, fees, and profit margins. 5. Additionally, consider running promotions or offering discounts to boost initial sales and generate positive reviews. Step 6. Fulfillment and customer service. As an Amazon FBA seller, you can leverage Amazon's fulfillment services to handle billing, storage, packaging, and shipping of your products. This allows you to focus on other aspects of your business while providing customers with fast and reliable delivery. Ensure that your inventory is properly managed to avoid stockouts or overstocking. Monitor your inventory levels regularly and utilize tools provided by Amazon Seller Central to track your sales and inventory performance. Customer service plays a crucial role in building a positive reputation and gaining customer loyalty. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, address any issues or complaints, and strive to provide excellent service. Positive customer reviews can greatly impact your sales and organic rankings on Amazon. Step 7. Marketing and promoting your product. To generate sales and increase visibility for your product, implement various marketing strategies. Here are some effective techniques. Amazon PPC advertising: utilize Amazon's pay-per-click (PPC) advertising platform to target relevant keywords and boost your product's visibility. 1. Monitor your campaigns closely, adjust bids, and optimize your ads based on performance data. Social media marketing: leverage social media platforms to create brand awareness, engage with potential customers, and drive traffic to your Amazon listing. 2. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to showcase your product and run targeted advertising campaigns. 3. Influencer marketing: collaborate with influencers who align with your brand and target audience. They can promote your product through reviews, endorsements, or sponsored posts, reaching a wider audience and building credibility. Email marketing: build an email list of interested customers and utilize email marketing campaigns to promote new product launches, offer exclusive discounts, or share relevant content. 4. Personalize your emails and provide value to your subscribers. Remember, building a successful Amazon FBA business requires ongoing optimization, adaptation, and continuous improvement. Stay updated with the latest trends, monitor your competitors, and strive to provide an exceptional customer experience to drive long-term success. I hope this guide helps you navigate the process of starting your Amazon FBA business. Be sure to check out the resources in the description below to help you get started.